What happens if you neglect to change your oil? First, your engine might decide to throw a temper tantrum and start making strange noises, resembling a harmonious symphony of screeches and grinds. Next, your car's performance may take a nosedive, transforming it from a speed demon into a sluggish snail. And just when you think things can't get any worse, your engine might decide it's time to take an unexpected vacation and bid farewell to its loyal service. So, unless you enjoy the thrill of unpredictable car troubles, it's best not to neglect that oil change.